12 months ago, a plumber in Brisbane was making about $9,000 a month. One van, one helper, working 60-hour weeks and barely covering the bills. Today, the same plumber bills $47,000 a month. Same van, same helper, same 60 hours? No, he works 40, sometimes less. He didn't hire a marketing team. He didn't get lucky with a commercial contract. He didn't go viral on TikTok. He replaced 9 manual processes with AI, and I'm going to show you exactly which 9 and what they do. Most tradies are stuck in the same trap. You're good at what you do, maybe the best in your area, but your business runs on your back, your memory, and your phone. You answer calls while you're under a house. You write quotes in the car at 10 p.m. You chase up late payments on a Sunday morning. You post on Facebook when you remember, which is almost never. And marketing? That's whatever your mate's nephew, who does websites, threw together 3 years ago. The result is a business that earns what one person can physically do. You hit a ceiling, and the only way past it, everyone tells you, is to hire people. Hire an office manager, hire a bookkeeper, hire a marketing agency. Suddenly, your $9,000 month needs to be $18,000 just to break even on the new wages. But here's what nobody in the trades industry is talking about. There's a third option between do everything yourself and hire a team you can't afford. AI doesn't replace you. It replaces the boring, repetitive, time-consuming admin that stops you from actually growing. This plumber figured that out before anyone else in his area. And now his competitors can't work out how he's everywhere at once, showing up first on Google, responding to every enquiry in seconds, posting content daily, and somehow finishing work by 4 p.m. Now, I know some of you are thinking this sounds like one of those guru videos where some bloke in a rented Lamborghini tells you to buy his course. This is not that. There's no course. There's no secret system behind a paywall. I'm going to show you the actual tools, the actual setup, and the actual numbers. If you want to copy exactly what this plumber did, you can. Everything I'm about to show you is either free or costs less than a tradie's daily smoko budget. The first thing he automated was quoting. He used to spend 2 hours every night writing up quotes. Now he feeds the job details into a template and the AI generates a professional, itemized quote in 60 seconds. It even adjusts pricing based on the suburb, job complexity, and materials list he maintains in a spreadsheet. He sends the quote before he's left the customer's driveway. That alone increased his conversion rate from 40% to 67%. Why? Because the first quote wins. His GoHighLevel AI agent responds to every enquiry web form, Facebook, Google in under 60 seconds. Email plus text message plus booking link. He recovers leads at 2 a.m. that his competitors don't even see until morning. Every month, he generates fresh Facebook and Google ad copy using Boss Copy. He tells it he's a plumber in Brisbane, enters his current promotion, and gets 20 ad variations in 60 seconds. He spends 10 minutes picking the best 3 and runs them. His cost per lead dropped from $112 to $38. Every lead that doesn't book gets a 7-day AI follow-up sequence. Day 1, Day 2, Day 4, Day 7. Each message is different. Each adds value, a customer review, a seasonal tip, a limited time offer. He recovers 20% of leads that would have ghosted. He posts on Facebook and Instagram every single day, before and after photos with AI written captions. Tips and how-to posts generated by Boss Copy. He spends about 15 minutes a week on content that used to take him 5 hours. His Facebook page went from 200 followers to 4,000 in 8 months. Not because the content is genius, but because he posts every day and his competitors post every month. After every completed job, his AI agent waits 24 hours and sends a personalized review request. Direct link to Google. He went from 11 reviews to 143 in 10 months. That pushed him into the Google Maps top 3 for Plumber Brisbane and Emergency Plumber Brisbane. His Google organic leads tripled. That's free traffic. No ad spend. Just reviews working as a trust signal. His website publishes 2 blog posts a week automatically. AI written. SEO-optimized content targeting long-tail searches like how to fix a leaking tap Brisbane and hot water system replacement cost $2,026. Each post targets a specific keyword and includes a call to action to book a quote. After 6 months, his website traffic went from 200 visits a month to 3,400. 12 of those turn into booked jobs every month at an average value of $1,800. That's $21,000 in monthly revenue from blog posts he didn't write. When a job is marked complete in GoHighLevel, the system generates and sends an invoice automatically. Payment link included. If the customer doesn't pay within 3 days, a polite reminder goes out, then another at 7 days. His average payment time dropped from 14 days to 3 days. Cash flow went from a constant headache to a non-issue. His booking calendar is public. Customers book themselves. GoHighLevel assigns jobs based on availability, sends the customer a confirmation with his arrival window, and sends him a daily schedule every morning at 6 a.m. No more double bookings. No more "I forgot about that job." No more spending 30 minutes every night planning tomorrow. The AI does it. Let's count. 9 systems. Each one would cost between $500 and $3,000 a month if you hired a person to do it. Instead, he pays for GoHighLevel and uses free AI tools. Total monthly cost, under $300. Total monthly revenue, $47,000. And he finishes work by 4 p.m. Here's the thing. This plumber isn't special. He's not a tech person. He didn't study marketing. He just said yes to AI before everyone else in his market. And now he owns the suburb. Every tool he uses is linked in the description. GoHighLevel for the CRM, automation, scheduling, and follow-ups. Boss Copy for the ad copy, social content, and email sequences. Start with those 2. Build the AI agent from the last video. Then add the other systems one by one. If you want the full breakdown of any of these 9 systems, tell me in the comments which one. I'll make a dedicated video showing the exact setup. Subscribe. I'm doing this every week. Real numbers, real businesses, real AI setups that are working right now.